how to connect drone to iPhone without my RC. So first of all, turn on your drone and enable your Bluetooth option on your iPhone device. So once done, then open your DJI drone. If you don't have, just go to Play Store and search DJI Fly, then open your DJI drone. Now press on this quick transfer option, press on quick transfer. Now you can see your drone. Now press on join, then you can see your all file in your iPhone, and here it is. You can see exit quick transfer. Now all file are from your mobile. So that's it. And if you want to exit it, just press on exit, then it will be exit as a remote. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.